Hi, this is Max from English Phonetics. So this is a pronunciation practice. Let's start. Two women are at a bar in New York. They are friends. One slaps the other on her behind. The other woman does not know this. She does not know that her friend slaps her. She does not see it. She thinks it is the bouncer. She gets angry. She just go up to him. She starts to choke him from behind. The bouncer falls to the ground. Police arrest the woman, but later they let her go. And this is the exercise for English phonetics or a pronunciation practice for English phonetics. Thanks for watching. Bye.